how to find your contact info on your Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your contact information on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook. Now all you need to do is click on those three lines up there. And now click on the setting icon beside the search icon. And now click on the personal and account information, which is the first option. And now click on the second option, and this is the contact info to manage your phone number and emails. And this is it. You can add your phone number or add your new email address. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.